Let's do this.
G'day Shaggers, Brom here, your favourite roving reporter. I'm at Ed's Custom Spray Painting in Mudgee. I called in this morning to see if I could do a garage crawl, and he's quite happy for us to have a look around. I've had his sticky beak and there's some cool stuff, so stick around.
7, 6, 5.
Wait, your bigger stickers? Here's a this.
Let's do this.
Brom's Garage Crawl! Let's do this!
Like I say, everything's in different build.
Wow.
You know, so,
What's this? Not a Mustang, is it?
no, that's a Ford Cougar.
Oh, same sort of basic
Yeah.
shape, isn't it? Yeah.
So had a very bad restoration done on it years ago.
Yeah.
And then we basically got it and realised that it was converted wrongly and everything.
Oh, okay, yeah.
We're going to do it all back to original right-hand drive.
Unreal.
And all that for him.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Ed from Ed's Custom Spray Painting. Good
G'day.
on you, Ed. Good. Thanks for taking us around, mate. This is awesome. And what's this one on the rotisserie?
That's a HK Monaro.
Right. Oh, yeah. Sort of makes sense when you...
Yeah. No, it's HK Monaro.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a local customer.
Yeah, right.
Basically
nice.
restoring, like taking a lot of the old work that had been done on it years ago and
Fantastic.
rebuilding it.
Unreal.
Let's do this.
That one, GDS Monaro
Wow.
is a local guy. He's had it since basically brand new. Decided that it was time to rebuild it before he completely retires.
Unreal, mate. Look at that.
So we've just got those rims
Don't they look
brought
great?
in. Yeah, they're good now, 15-inch rims that
Yeah.
are alloy. They look
Yeah.
the same, and
Yeah, they look so cool. They really do.
fits the style of the car.
It does. Yeah, I love period correct sort of stuff on cars. You know? Stuff on cars. You know.
And then Monaro that's come to us from Tamworth. Basically,
Oh, wow.
going to get everything replaced, floor pans, all sorts of things.
Yeah, you can see the light through there. Wow. Cool old car.
Yeah, a lot of old metal. You know, it's
Yeah.
good to work on. It's
Nice and thick.
nice and thick.
Yeah.
We interrupt this broadcast to bring you some breaking news.
Hey legends, Brom here, your favourite roving reporter from Chrome Bumper Club. I have some news that I have to share with you today. After a few years of planning and implicating from behind the scenes, we are officially partnering with Australian Rod and Customs. Now, these guys have backed us in a massive way, and I want to give them a big shout out for all their support. This partnership means we can push harder with filming more often and bringing you the best classic car content as consistently as possible. And for you, it means a great deal. Early product launches and even a cool Chrome Bumper discount for any orders through Australian Rod and Custom. They ship Australia-wide, and any orders over $449 receive free shipping, which is unreal. If you want to see what bargains you can get today, just check out the link in the description. Have a look at the catalogue and see what grabs you, and support the crew that keeps this all rolling. So whether you have been hot rodding for decades or you're on your first build, stick around and follow the journey and pick up a great deal thanks to Australian Rod and Customs. Thank you.
And then Monaro that's come to us from Tamworth. Basically,
Oh, wow.
going to get everything replaced, floor pans, all sorts of things.
Yeah, you can see the light through there. Wow. Cool old car.
Yeah, a lot of old metal. You know, it's
Yeah.
good to work on. It's
Nice and thick.
nice and thick.
Yeah.
You know, one I'm doing for a local charity.
Oh, okay.
They call it the Green Ute Foundation.
Yeah,
It's
right.
to raise money for nurses and that.
Fantastic.
So we're just going through getting it all straight and fix up. Very little rust in it, which was good.
Yeah, it's a good old thing, isn't it?
Yeah, so she's this is some of the
Colomordo, was it?
Yeah, some of the semi things we do is, you know, from full rebuilds right through to complete
Wow.
custom sort of work.
Unreal, mate. That's fantastic. God,
Yeah.
you're busy. You're a busy shop.
Yeah.
What's this, a Falcon?
That's an XT Falcon.
Fantastic.
Came to us, probably about 2 years ago. Completely rusted out in the sill panels.
Wow.
no floor panels.
Well, it's getting there, isn't it?
Yeah, so we're in the process of
That's going to be
starting
a
to put
trick.
it back together.
Well, I like that
basically.
shape. That's a cool looking car.
Yeah. And another old Holden that we've.
Wow, you're nearly there.
Yeah, so this is another one we're just starting to put back together. So yeah, she's had a few modifications on the time it's been here to
Yeah, right.
change, you know, to the customer.
God, it's lovely,
specs.
mate. You've done well.
We get all our wiring. All our wiring's brand new from All Creations down in Victoria Way.
Right.
He does all our wiring harnesses for us
Right.
and rebuilds, and we just basically go right through the whole thing.
Yeah, it's unreal, mate. That's fantastic. So how did you get a start in this? Do you follow
I've been
Dad
in the
or?
industry quite a long time. I've been probably 30 years.
Right.
So yeah, I've been building cars all my life, and it's just been a passion of mine. And we had the opportunity to build this place and
Wow.
get into it full time. You know.
Wow, look at that Falcon. What a colour.
Yeah, it's a custom colour,
That's beautiful.
which is a maroon over a black base.
My hot rod would look fantastic with that colour.
So yeah, we're just finishing a few
Wow.
bits and pieces
I've got a
that
soft
we weren't
spot for
happy
that.
with. So we're just going back over it. We're gonna.
And that's the GT there?
That's the GT.
Wow. Geez, I've got a soft spot for these.
Yeah.
I don't care what brand it is really, but geez, I love Falcons of that
They're all
era.
metal, you know.
Yeah.
They're solid. They're good to work on.
Yeah.
You know, you can do a lot to them.
I love the old Cleveland engine. It's fantastic.
I've got one myself out the back that I'm going to restore at one time, but I'm going to do
XB?
full custom. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
It's going to be race ute, basically,
Race ute.
you know, for the street.
Fantastic. Oh,
My son's currently building a AU ute.
right. Fantastic.
Which has got a complete motor coming in for it soon.
Wow.
Done by a local guy that does on-grog engines. So
Wow.
he's building the motor for him. But it's full ladder bar rear ends,
So it'll be 5 litre, will it? Or?
5 litre, yeah. Yeah, and its colour is actually off a Chrysler. A Chrysler from America.
Geez, beautiful, mate.
Yeah, so he's spending the time on that to basically finish it off. We're trying to
Unreal.
keep everything covered, you know, for the dust.
Yeah, this is. Wow, look at that. That's magnificent, Ed.
So yeah, so
That is
she's-
beautiful work, mate.
Like I say, it's had quarter panels, it's had all complete rear panels, floor panels.
Wow, it's
Um,
immaculate. Well done, mate.
So it's had
Truly.
a lot being done to it as well.
Isn't it magnificent?
We reskin, so we de-skin all the boots and bonnets.
Yeah, right.
You know, because you'd be surprised at what rust is hiding underneath.
Yeah, I can imagine. Yep. Fantastic.
This is Ali, our painter, head painter.
Good on you, Ali. Geez, you do some great work.
Ash has just started with us. She's doing the apprenticeship in painting.
All right, good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
It's off to TAFE.
Yeah.
Do they have TAFE here? Do they have got one in Mudgee?
No,
No, Dubbo.
No, Dubbo.
So you go 1 week a month or something, do you? Or
Yeah, something like that. It's
Yeah.
a week every 2 months.
every 2 months?
Yeah.
So you go 5 times a year.
That's a good time to go. Have some fun in Dubbo. Little Tirana.
Yeah, Grana's going to get turned into a drag car.
Oh, fantastic.
Tubbed rear end the whole bit. So
Wow.
we're just setting it up on the rotisserie at the moment to get it pulled apart and go for that full underbody with modification.
I just went to the drags with Eastern Creek. It's fantastic.
Yeah.
Another, what is it? HQ?
HQ, yeah. Stan, that was a local guy. His grandfather owned it. And
Oh, okay. Good job.
he's going to restore it, you know.
Yep.
Back
Oh,
to
there's
its
the
original
there's
condition.
the V Dub.
Yeah.
Right. All right. Like you said, you do insurance work as well.
Yeah, we do it too.
Little 5 litre.
Yeah, it's another ute that's been done, 50th anniversary ute. It's going to go back to its original colour.
Right.
We're just in the process starting to strip it and put it all into epoxy and then,
They're good cars though.
pretty clean car.
Yeah, I've had a mates that had a few of those, and they all ran great. Oh, a Tirana hatchback.
Yep, another local.
That's a that's a rare car.
Yeah.
They're fantastic. I had one of those. That's one of the ones that got away, you know.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, God, that's unreal. I want one. That little two-door.
That actually is another local guy who's he originally bought 30 years ago as a parts car. And
Wow, now
decided to
it's-
start stripping it, so he cut all the front end off it and used bits and pieces. And
Suddenly
over time,
it's that.
yeah, so now we're putting it back together.
Yeah, it's funny, isn't it? God.
Put it back to the way it should be,
Yeah, right, isn't it?
you know?
They're rare, aren't they? God,
They are.
hard to find now. They were everywhere for a while.
Good to save them, you know, like they're worth saving.
Jub. How cool's that? I know someone who's going to get very excited, no, Jeremy. Oh, good on you, Ed. That's unreal, mate. Fishy did some great work here.
Yeah,
So if you're looking for a resto, getting your car restored, come and see Ed in Mudgee. Good on you, mate.
Good on ya.
Our sponsor, Australian Rod and Customs, power this whole segment, Brom's Garage Crawl. So thanks to you for showing us around, mate. There's a t-shirt for your troubles, and
Too easy.
good on you, mate. Thank you very much. Good luck with the
Nice speaking
whole
to you.
thing, mate. Yeah, good on you, Ed and Judy Hopson. Thanks for that, showing us around your awesome Ed's Custom Spray Painting building. That is unreal. And if you need some custom work done at Mudgee, Custom Spray Painting, go and see Ed and Judy. They must be doing something right with that amount of cars in the building. Unreal. So thanks again, guys. Thanks for Australian Rod and Customs for powering our Brom's Garage Crawls and the World Tour, and it rolls on, and we're going to Dubbo, as you can see. We're on our way, and off to Motorfest. So make sure you stick around. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you.